Hello everyone, in this video I want to talk to you how to fix your wrist pain when you have pain during wrist bending backward or push-ups. This is one of the techniques that I use quite often and it really responds well to decrease your pain, so stay tuned. So let's talk a little bit about anatomy here. So we have two forearm bones. One is radius that connects to your thumb side, and we have ulna that connects to your pinky side. And we have carpal bones that connect to both of them. And one carpal bone that we emphasize in this video is lunate. So that bone is inherently unstable, so it is prone to injury. So sometimes when your lunate is not moving as it should be moving when you're bending backward, then that causes sharp pain. Same thing for when you are doing push-ups. So we're gonna find lunate and move it to the right position when you are bending your wrist backward. So we first have to find capitate, which is a carpal bone that goes above your lunate. And then we're gonna use a thumb starting from your third finger and go all the way down until you find the dip. And when you find the dip, that's going to be your capitate. And then if you go down a little further, and when you hit the bump, and that's going to be your lunate. So we want to make sure we press your lunate forward as you bend your wrist backward. Just like this way. Let's try 10 times, and we're gonna try regular wrist bending backward and see if your pain subsided. And once your pain subsided, then we can go on to next level. For your next level, we're gonna use a bend. Wrap this around your carpal bones, which is gonna be right above your wrist joint. And then bring it to enough tension to it. And then you can use your other hand to kind of assist it and have you bring your wrist backward. We're gonna try this for about 2 sets of 10 repetitions. And let's see if your pain subsided. For your progression of exercises from the last one, we're gonna do some wrist joint pressure. Same thing with the last one, we're gonna use a bend right above your wrist joint or cup of bones, and using your other hand to assist it. Here, press down the joint for about 3 seconds, 1, 2, 3, and back. We're gonna try this exercise for 2 sets of 10. And after 2 sets of 10, we're gonna see if your pain subsides. Thank you for watching my video, and hopefully this helps you for managing your pain. If you enjoy watching the video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you, bye-bye.